Are susceptible to ear infections and wash any cuts and scrapes that are exposed to unclean water. For more information, check out the web link section of KVUE.com.
Fix my
The historic
Rubiks
Livingston County Courthouse has a brand new look today. Close to 24 workers spent the morning taking down a fence surrounding the courthouse on the square. The courthouse had been undergoing a massive restoration project. The fence was put in place when the project was started a year and a half ago.
Some of the changes to the courthouse were restoring the exterior, and so there were workers on the outside of the building as well as the inside of the building. So it was really for safety purposes to keep people off of the construction site.
Landscapers also put in new plants and flowers this morning. Inside of the historic building underwent a dramatic change as well, especially the 26th District Courtroom, which had been converted into a 3-story space with offices. It's now back to the original 2-story design. County visitors hope to move back into the building in October. Looks beautiful.
The state of Texas 24/7. This is TXCN.
Well, the big news this weekend is a frontal boundary pushing southward. And it's going to be slow going over the course of the next 24 hours, but it will get some help as we head into the work week with some upper-level winds rolling in from the northwest. It's going to help push it across the rest of the state. And with it, we'll see more showers and thunderstorms, but also some cooler temperatures as we head into Tuesday and even into Wednesday for the most part, for a good part of Texas. But for Saturday, it was pretty warm overall, especially with the humidity factored in, even though just about everybody into the 90s for high temperatures with a few exceptions. When you factor in the relative humidity, we did have a few people over triple digits for the heat index. For Dallas-Fort Worth, we topped off at 95. In Houston at 93. Same for Brownsville. San Antonio reached 91. Over in El Paso, we topped off at 98, but just to the east and wink, we were a bit warmer coming in at 99 for the hot spot. Dalhart started us off at about 59. Across the country, we are already watching one front push into parts of our state. It's been crossing most of the northwestern parts of Texas for at least the first half of the weekend. Now, the leading edge extends all the way up through the Mississippi River Valley, stretching into the northeastern parts of the nation. And will continue to stir up some heavy showers and storms all along this boundary layer. Now, as far as organized severe weather, we really do not have any areas outlined by the Storm Prediction Center for slight risk areas, but we have a few hot spots that we could see across parts of the northeast. Also, on the tail end of this system, across parts of the plains, we could see a few heavy showers and thunderstorms approaching severe limits, but pretty much in isolated cases. That's pretty much the same setup for us as well. Again, you may see one or two of these, much like what we had for Saturday, bring us some large hail as well as some gusty winds. Now, over the course of the next few days, again, we do have that front moving southward. We'll see the cooler air moving in behind it as we head into Monday and Tuesday for the most part. It's where we will really start to see the effects of this system rolling across parts of the southern region. The big cooling off is going to be well up to our north, but the front does have enough juice with it to actually help cool things off a bit for us, but also bring in some drier humidity. So the humidity levels will be a little less out there as we head at least through the first half of this week. We'll be recovering a bit towards the end of the week as the clouds part and the sunshine creeps back in. But notice off to the north, we have another cool surge of air rolling southward that will continue to work its way possibly back into our neck of the woods as we head into next weekend. But as far as the tropical weather is concerned, this is Gabrielle. It's off the east coast of the Carolinas, and it continues to work its way out to the northwest at last check Saturday evening. It was just a tropical storm with those maximum sustained winds up to about 40 miles per hour. We're really not expecting to see it strengthen that much before it heads back out to the northeast. It'll clip the east coast of North Carolina, and then it will continue to skirt its way up through the northeastern coastline, possibly bringing us some high swells as well as some showers and storms.
Thanks,
For us, back home.